Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how can you download Bitdefender. So for downloading it, click on window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. And here inside it, click on the search bar and search Bitdefender. So here you can see the first one, Bitdefender Total Security. Now click on install. So here you can see it is getting installed. So it will take some time to install as it is of 18 MBs. So let it install. Just wait. So here you can see it is asking for the privacy policy and subscription agreement. So tick mark this and click on install. So this will take some time to install. So here you can see it is installed. Now it is again installing. It is of 768 MB. So this will install in some time. So this is how you can download Bitdefender in your computer. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.